Well, we're cleaning the ductwork, and in the basement of the establishment was a grill and the kitchen. Right behind him in the bulkhead was the ductwork we were cleaning. So I took off the supply duct, pulled it off, shined my light in there, and lo and behold, there is a dead rat, roughly that long. Well, during the course of cleaning, the gentleman befriended us and said, "Hey, I make you lunch." I was like, "Nah, I don't think I really want lunch," because I know it was in your ductwork and it was blowing right on top of your grill.
Well, we do a lot of post-construction cleanup after they build townhouses, and the one thing we find a lot of are pee bottles. I never understood why contractors can't just use the porta-johns outside. Why do they have to pee in bottles and throw them in ductwork? It's kind of funny because one time we were actually doing a cleanup and one of the bottles got sucked up into our negative air machine, went through the blower blade, and sprayed everywhere outside. It was really disgusting.